Today, I'm painting a massive shipping container. So for those of you who don't know, Never Summer has been one of the most trusted snowboard brands since 1991. And they're based right here in Denver, Colorado. And I've been working for them for the past 4 years. And every day I get to work, I see this old, giant, rusted shipping container sitting out front of their factory where they handcraft all of their snowboards. And I've been thinking, someone needs to paint that.
Let there be songs.
And that's just what we're gonna do. Let's go!
La da 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 da. There is a fountain that was not made by the hands of men. There is a road, no simple highway between the dawn and the dark of night. And if you go a fountain that was not made by the hands of men. There is a road.
Okay, we just finished up this sick mountain background, and now it's time to paint some details on. Let's go! First mural you painted? You're scared?
I'm not scared, but Andreas wants to do pine trees. I suck at pine trees in general, so doing large-scale pine trees, he's gonna be responsible for what happens. I'm just following orders. I still probably gonna tell you how I would do it, but I just am not good at pine trees. I'm not scared. I'm scared for you. I mean, I'm just there, you know? It's not gonna fall on me.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just scared for you. But I believe we can do it.
Good to know.
I don't know. I wanna know how these pine trees are gonna turn out.
Someone said you're gonna do this thing for 10 years. What would it be?
Painting murals. I think that would be the coolest.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a wrap for this one. Man, this has been so awesome. This has been my biggest project yet by far, and I'm so stoked on how it came out. And there's so many people who helped me out with this, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you so much, everyone.
Are we violating something?
Yeah.
Wait, I didn't even catch it on camera, babe.
Till next time.
highway between the dawn and the dark.